God saw the world had become filled with violence and corruption, so he chose one righteous man named Noah to save humanity. God told Noah to build a massive ark, a giant wooden boat, even though there had never been a flood before. Noah followed God's instructions exactly, cutting timber and sealing the ark with pitch. His neighbors mocked him for building a boat on dry land, but Noah kept working faithfully. God instructed Noah to bring 2 of every animal species onto the ark, male and female, along with his family. For days, animals marched in pairs up the ramp. Elephants, lions, birds, insects, everything. Then the rains came, flooding the entire earth for 40 days and nights. Inside the ark, Noah's family cared for all the animals, feeding them and keeping them safe. After months floating on the waters, the ark finally rested on Mount Ararat. Noah sent out a dove that returned with an olive branch, meaning dry land had appeared. God made a covenant with Noah, promising never to flood the earth again, sealing it with a rainbow. Noah and his family stepped onto fresh earth, released the animals, and began rebuilding civilization with hope and faith.